Good morning. Morning number 1 on my rolling 72 fast. Man, I woke up so hungry. Which is normal. I normally wake up hungry, but I normally eat breakfast around 9 o'clock. So just knowing that I'm not going to eat breakfast at 9 o'clock, I think I'm a little bit more hungry than normal. But I'm about to get up, get a cup of water, and shower. Maybe I'll take an extra long shower that day just to help the time go by a little bit faster. I'll check back in with you guys later. Bye. Hey family, Sis Went Vegan here, checking in on my R72 fast, me only having water for the next 72 hours. I started last night, so I'm about 15 hours in. I've been doing pretty good. I woke up this morning super thirsty, super hungry, which is normal. I normally eat breakfast at around 9 o'clock, which is normally just some fresh fruit, and then around 11, 12, I have lunch, but I haven't had anything except water. I did put lime juice in my water, but other than that, I haven't had anything. I have a lot of energy, surprisingly. Normally I need to eat at least my fresh fruit in the morning to have a bit of energy, but I feel pretty good today, maybe because I haven't been to work in a few days due to the winter storm we have here in Texas. So yeah, I feel pretty good. I have had like a little bit of a headache, but I have headaches often, so it's not surprising that I have a headache. So yeah, other than the headache, I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm super excited to be diving into this fast. I'm doing it with a group of people on Facebook, and it's actually pretty cool to have like a group that, you know, we support one another and we're there for another, encourage one another. So that's pretty awesome. Can't wait to check back in with you guys later. Bye. And I just realized I definitely didn't tell you guys what the rolling 72 fast is, so here we go. Okay, so the rolling 72 fast is a fast in which you do not eat any food for 72 hours. The only thing that you can have is either plain water, water with a lime in it, or tea. So the reason that I wanted to try this diet is because I heard that it could have some really good benefits for me dealing with lupus. Between 24 and 48 hours into your fast, your body starts to experience autophagy. Autophagy is when your body takes parts of the cells that are damaged and then they reuse them to promote cellular repair or to even form new cells. Doing this type of fast can help with so many issues. If you have glucose issues, heart issues, DNA repair issues, immune disorder issues, or even if you're struggling with losing weight, this diet could potentially help you. So that's why I decided to try it out. I heard that it was really good for people with like chronic inflammation, which is what lupus is. Okay, so now back to my day. Last update for day 1. Today has been a day. I haven't eaten any food. I'm pulling up on 24 hours. I've been drinking my water all day. I'm almost done with my gallon. Today's just been a little bit emotional for me. And if you watch my channel, you know that I struggle with emotional eating. And so not being able to have anything has definitely been a challenge for me. But don't worry about me. I am going to be fine. It's nothing major. Just a few life things going on, but I'm going to be okay. It's been really hard not eating, especially since my family is not doing the challenge. So of course they're cooking up some good smelling foods and stuff like that. So I'm just staying in my room so that I'm not too tempted. My son came in my room and was like, "Mom, I want some cashews." So he got in my bed with his bag of cashews and was just munching away. And I wanted some so bad. He said, "Mom, here, you want some?" And I'm like, "No, I'm okay." I'm okay, son, but thank you. So yeah, day 1 of the R72 fast is almost done. I am about to get ready for bed. I'm super excited for day 2 tomorrow. I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. Bye.